In this video, I will show you how to find the transcript if the video is with closed captioning. Open your favorite browser and go to www.youtube.com. Log into your account if you are not logged. Find and play the video for which you need a transcript. Click on the three horizontal dots below the video. Select Open Transcript. The transcript will be visible on the right of the video. Below the transcript, you will probably see English. If you tap on that, there might be various language options, including English. It's always best to choose English instead of the auto-generated option for accuracy. In general, the quality of the transcript depends on the audio clarity of the video, accent, dialects, etc. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.